What is going on, YouTube? What's going on, fam, gang? What I am looking at here on Rocket RKT. This stock has been absolutely hammered, as well as a lot of the other stocks in the market as of late. We all know that it had this huge run up, call it a squeeze or whatnot, all the way to 41.89 back on 3/2 March 2nd. One thing that I'm looking for on this is the market closed very strong on Friday. Does it continue to hold those levels? I don't know. The futures are down right now, but they are trying to make a recovery. It's all going to tell what pre-market is up to tomorrow and how the market decides to open up. My personal opinion is that the markets are going to try to open up very strong, and then depending on whether they get rejected at resistance or they can sort of claim that, maybe we see like an hour to hour and a half, 2 hour run up. If the markets are going to reverse, I think we're going to see a very heavy sell off come, an hour to 2 hours after the market opens. However, if the markets can stay strong and stay, lively, we have buyers coming in, and the markets can sort of turn around. The levels that I'm going to be looking for on RKT is going to be reclaiming this channel here, this whole channel here. It's been stuck in this channel for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days, and it is sort of trying to test this level here of $24.90. What I do like about Rocket is that it did reclaim all of the averages here. So the 5, the 10, the 20 moving averages. If we can sort of confirm the Friday's close of 21 or 23.91 and sort of take out this whole channel here at 24.90, I could be possibly looking to take a short either day trade or swing trade depending on the markets, and set a tight stop loss on this, probably at the 10 moving average here at about 23.52, 23.40, depending on how the markets are looking and what my risk tolerance is feeling like. I mean, I sort of basically go off of instincts. How do I feel? And that's kind of how you have to play it. Everybody trades differently. Everybody has a different risk tolerance when it comes to how much money you are willing to risk versus your reward. If I did enter this trade in here at the 24.90, I possibly could be looking to take this at about a $25 clean even break and try to ride this up into this next wave here. As you can see, we tested 1-2 times here at about $27.27, around that area. If we can show some momentum and push past that, I will probably be looking to exit at around $28.50 before we hit this double top here that we had going back on March 10th and March 11th. That could be a potential 2 to 3 point move there on the upside. I will probably look to take 10 contracts there and just exit my position, kind of see what the overall market is doing and how strong the stock is doing. If you are looking to play Rocket to the downside, it's really hasn't broken down that much. I mean, I think it came down here and it's tested the 50 and the 100-day moving average at around 21.94 and 21.74, and then it's kind of bounced up. So it's in a very tight channel, but more so I'm looking at Rocket to the upside, not so much to the downside. I don't really see how much more farther that it can go down to at this, even with the market volatility and weakness that we are seeing. I think it's going to kind of stay in this channel here between $20.85 and 23.62 until the market sort of figures itself out. So for me, the better play is going to be a break of this whole channel here and sort of retesting this double top at 28.65. That is what I am looking for on RKT. Remember, guys, you don't have to trade every day. Stay smart, protect your capital, kind of see what the market is doing, see what the pre-market opens up at, see how strong it is. Do we have buyers coming in? What is the volume looking like? These are all things that you need to take into account before you enter into a position. So just sort of be smart and see what the market is going to do for you. But I definitely do have RKT on my watch list for tomorrow, Monday's session.